Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about email marketing on Shopify and comparing two choices, Shopify email and the Klaviyo. We want to know, should you upgrade to Klaviyo in 2025 or stick with the Shopify's built-in tool? I will explain both options in simple terms, and remember to check the description for official link and any updated information. So Shopify email is a part of your Shopify store. You can send up to 10,000 emails per month for free, and it's very easy to make campaign or basic automation right inside your Shopify dashboard. It gives you templates, simple segmentation and basic reporting like open rates or click rates. It's very friendly for beginners and it doesn't cost extra unless you send more emails than the free limit. Other side, Klaviyo is an advanced email marketing platform that works with many stores, especially Shopify. It allows deep segmentation like grouping customers by behavior, purchase frequency, predicted buying, and card activity, and looks at over 350 integrations. You can create complex flows combining email and SMS, automated integrated messages for birthday, abandoned card, product recommendations, and many more. It has dynamic content and predictive analytics built in. In terms of ease of use, Shopify email is much easier and it's very easy to set up and manage right inside the Shopify. Klaviyo is more powerful, but you will need to some time to learn how the flow and segmentation work. It's still clean and guides you through, but it's more sophisticated. Looking at the feature, Shopify email covers the basic like welcome emails, cart recovery, simple promotion with limited templates. But Klaviyo goes further. The advanced automation, A/B testing, dynamic product feed, multi-channel message including SMS, predictive analytics, and much richer templates. When we consider price, Shopify email is free up to 10,000 cents per month and then charge about $1 per extra 1,000 cents with volume discounts beyond 300,000 emails. Klaviyo has a free plan for up to 500 cents, but after that you pay more, starting at around $45 per month and for 15,000 email per month. So when you need to upgrade to Klaviyo, if you are just starting with a small list and you need simple campaign, Shopify email might be enough. But if you are growing your store, need detailed personalization, better automation, SMS, A/B testing, and powerful analytics, then Klaviyo is a better choice for you. So in summary, Shopify email is easy, integrated, and low cost, and it's perfect if you want an easier start. Other side, Klaviyo is an advanced, expensive, but gives a real power of complex marketing and personalization also. It depends on your needs and stage. So this was the video for today. I hope this video is helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.